It was a shut up. What's the competition? Was it shut up? Kevin.
That the NPP, the big wigs were involved in this galamsey. Captain Smart, shut up. You have no credibility. And those boys who have been fired from the radio station saying we are going to emancipate the youth, shut up. We have had enough of you people and your hypocrisy. We've had enough of you people and your comedy. I will tell you in your face. What can you prove to Ghanaians that you are not hypocrites now? Unless, so, into Kojo Pon, Kojo Ting, your friend is saying, Dr. Otian Pamwa. And let me tell you something, Captain. You see, if I were you, I would shut up and find a different career. You know why?
Listen.
You see, Dr. Otian.
Kevin, I would tell another man on echo. And then maybe I see Kevin tell about or cancer no. And no can no can. Sen can make at the smart. Who you be a? Me ma crack it, you make my catch yourself. Kazen can start a different career. You call him Guasia Wachi or Ganem. And him Guasia Wachi was social media so. And somebody I can't find who yet one say who could die diplomatic passport at the end of the day. 47. What go my gun and you must see to the say. When you police ni, when you surgeon, when you get national passport or kutano. What with Mrs. Shaw surgeon, you Captain Smart. What go Ghana and you must see to the say. I thought I for a loop. No one did diploma. I don't Mumusano Ghana for my smart. I don't know your diplomatic passport. Or no Captain Smart. South passport, no, I don't know your Mubusano. Yet, one count Ghana for Muye Dean Kevin Tell and Wakan. What say, Sankono no work Captain Smart. Go back find a different career because what go when you must see to the say, O Chrono at time, maybe I will be a pamo. O Kohania pamo, O Kohania pam, where on your FM way. On your TV, Captain Smart way. Mama, what 3 years, Mobatanka. Hey, or best say was a seer. Huh? Or Cobroche, or be man baby that, no, I didn't. No, Jimmy. Or Cobroche, Ghana for the just come on. For Tombolas, no, Gia, no, I did. No, I cannot to know about Ghana. It was their poba, and what they see the fear. A poba, and what they see the fear. And I have social media answer unprofessional, someone a coso. Ubenya and say, musician, our young professional musician, no Jimmy Cassette Kufado. Ubenya and you say, a blogger, be your unprofessional blogger, no dear Kufado at them. Ubenya and say, will be your friend or so for, and say, a unprofessional pastor. Now, or real politics. No go Kufado and Massey. She means a cost for Ghana. Chimisa ani akoso Ghana. Oko kan se o de menka uyo yeni ba. Nka siafo asefo. Echimifo amugu abanpa pa ni mase. Echimifo amugu Akufo-Addo ni mase. Kwasi anyafo ma ye respond to that say. Mumu kwasiafo amutimu hweye. Echimifo we mo Captain Smart. Eni na sefo. Emu asefo Captain Smart eni na sefo. Emudiye bloggers Captain Smart and na sefo emu face the country muni twasiri munya chimi no na Ghana no mutimi hweye muye selfish interest munya Akufo-Addo life mano na mo hwia Ghana fo ache mo jiji Ghana fo sikata enya fo ma ya bra mo sa no ache eni ponche enyan munya life weye eni sa dia mo baje mo tre na munya chimi no na Ghana kwa nanim munya Jimmy no obi na Ghana ho na Jimmy ni dosoro te nya forma na so nya Jimmy kan no nya ni ba twefon wakotie Captain Smart wakotie Kevin Taylor wakotie osofo Jimmy ni bi na ba tia Akufo-Addo aba na nye muni twase mu kobusa muni mu se Ghana na ye wo mutum na te se mun kobusa mu busia panyini se Ghana na mu film na te se muni twase mi se ka bi me we will not respect any nonsense person. That thing is it's coming too much. Captain Smart Jimmy no. Mun kan chano Kevin Taylor Jimmy no. Mun kan chano en krabi Jimmy o Ghana wa here for my yese mun kan chano mu say. Near to Ghana mu. Ghana na ho chere wom. Aboa we are here for enyafo. We are here for the good president. Kwasiafo. Munya life for my na Akufo-Addo change Ghana life. Na Ghana ye bring na no na Akufo-Addo nya president. Ghana ye bre no coronavirus. Aboa ye tua teacher Foka. Ye tua Dr. Foka. Aboa say tia la wan se kura kan. Mona kefa Ghana scam. Kasia pandemic ekuro bibi akoso. Enso Ghana ye yi akwan enne ye yi obi krom kwan. Aboa. Mumi ye kanya sa kire mo. Muni twase ni de no mama mo. Eno de ya asem bi edidi agro. Eno na pay mo ya na mati asem say hey, akra bi respondo. Abrantia bi ti ho. Eti Germany wo no wodi Ekufa Nana Addo atem. Wodi odumfo atem. Enkwase fo Ghana fo nya agenti e ka de moni beje. Eboa. Eje se mi page so na nkofo mpe. Sabato TV. Oh, abroche fancy da bi. Sabato nyamotre, ye pe wasem, bra, wa adwene mu to. Wo kanyanse enti ye yatem de film. Eno kwa na edu micha. Enti mesra mo Sabato TV for mo fa cheme. Eye me ya, Captain Smart video bi amahwe. Eni chimi a wo chimi no. Me respond on that. E duru ba bi ese respond. No mo ti ase hu se no. Say adwuma ye no obi ane pe. Say adwuma ye youth bi e respondo. Awo kwasiampa yin wo NJFM de na wonye. Wo firi ho de na wo ye. Captain Smart wo NJFM de na wonye. Wo firi omumu sanse de na wo ye. Ogu koku otie ni mase. Enti na mo wase Captain Smart. Kofuo wo firi kofuo achi. Ene wo gu na Addo ni mase a. Enkofo se kofuo hye kire. Kofuo bi a hye kire o. O man payin kofuo timi suma Captain Smart se o me chimi ya wo chimi. O man payin kofuo I will stand for that. The president, the ex-president of Ghana, the Kofuo I know will not do that. Say, Kurasini Jimmy for Captain Smart. Emma Guna Addo ufi because say mo se Kofuo ne Nana Addo and na problem with the problem bi no. Yet you Ghana for say Akufo Addo no JJ Rollins. JJ ne ku Akufo Addo papa. Enti Akufo Addo be president ya. Akufo Addo be ku JJ. Akufo Addo be president no. Wani JJ Rollins no man say ntafo awa abrabom. JJ Rollins no ni Akufo Addo agro. Enti say Akufo Addo no ye nim nipa oye dada. Eni nim sama Ghana for ma ka fa no. Enti we don't care and we want to tell you say wo kwasi ampanyi bi abedi Akufo Addo atem. Chimifo bi abese Akufo Addo din. Akufo Addo will not respond to do. Nessa nkwara bi din penifo bi adadwene Ghana ho atema. We need to talk, we need to speak as a citizen of Ghana. Emre do see ebie adwene kire NDC for mo di Ghana brache. NDC for mo ya party bi you have no vision. Mo mi ka no kranche mo. Na nye sika nchani o nchani akama bepa bi adi. Seka o nchani akama ba NDC party office. I know you guys say you share the money. That is why Ghana no enkoranim. Yentia tax na wa bamba bi tua tax ya. Wo ti woni tum. Yentia tax na wan NDC ni a wo ti parliament. Ghana tua uka tua tax ya wo ti woni tum. Are you serious? Are you people serious? The tax have been approved. And the tax ni ebetua approve. And the budget na approve. And the tone na ye free kwam approve. Yes Ghana for you tone free wo. And this for do to sika che. And this for ma wi Ghana to sika che. Adoba for mu tua to biem. Ba o mi ada Roma what the electronic system. Say who tua bibi ma Ghana kwa ma ne hawati. Ghana ni who tua me a video no. Mom ye mi money na money frefra ebi mo. Say video ni ankua ni modofo. Idi an o boy Sabato the youth for Kenya pon. E me depend ni bi atem be de kan gina kire Ghana fo ni bi. Wo Ghana ni a wo tia brochira wo nko ofie da. Wo Ghana ni a wo tukwan a wo ko ofie a cheka no tum. Now ya malogwe wo friti Ghana no na Ghana na wanya fe. Wo ti Ghana na system bi nya enu ti na Akufo Addo na ehura mane a wo di na tem. Akufo Addo na wo hura mane a wo di na tem no. Say Akufo Addo no na ba mu ni yesi Ghana fo yi. Ye Ghana se Dubai. Ye pese Ghana sa abrochire.